he was telling me थोड़ी dark है, 5 stories हैं, बहुत confusing है.
Yeah, I think I'm now open to OTT releases.
I have been getting calls from my colleagues in the US asking me about the director of this wonderful film.
तो अनुराग जी आपको पार्टी देना है हमें once the lockdown is over.
Yeah, absolutely. Most welcome.
Yeah.
अभी आ जाओ mask पहन के.
I'm ready, ever ready for a party. So tell me, how are you all basking in the success of Ludo right now?
Shrishti, you start.
Shrishti,
Question
you
is to
start
you.
first because
No, we are
first-hand information.
no, we are so
Successful.
no, we are so excited about the success of Ludo. As you can see, it's been from the day that it's launched, it's been in the top 10, number 1 actually, throughout, and not just in India, in some other countries also, like Canada, Middle East, Southeast Asia. It's been one of the top 10 films everywhere. So that's a great way for everybody to kind of see and understand that how much people have loved this movie. We've been waiting for a really long time to get T-Series to associate with us, and we couldn't have thought of a better title to get than Ludo for us, because Anurag Basu, only one man seems to be able to hold him. So, Dada, अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ कि बात करनी पड़ेगी मुझे.
So yeah, so Anurag Dada, your turn.
I'm
Sorry,
speaking,
I have
Some
a little
sound-
one who's just running around here.
अच्छा. Okay.
Don't mind.
हाँ.
Yeah, Anurag Dada, you have to continue.
No, I didn't hear the last thing. Sorry, Shrishti, what were you saying?
Mecca, I've been chasing Bhushan for so long to do something original, but I think it was worth the wait for us to have Ludo, because you are not going to come to us. We'll have to come through Bhushan only to chase you.
ये सही बात है
एकदम सही बात है. भूषण सही है.
But you know, Anita, very rare if you come with a title that you feel so much of love for. If you see online and you see how buzzy it is, and you know the kind of trailer views we've got, the comments that we've got on this title, and the kind of reviews that we have also got. So that's all. It's all kudos to the genius of Anurag Basu. We all have a very, you get excited because you see the kind of films that he's made, and you really believe that is something your subscribers will enjoy. And and this musical combination of these two is unbeatable, according to me. I don't know. I think Bhushan, you're so used to great success on music, but there's something special about Ludo also, no?
Absolutely. ये तो पहले दिन से I'm saying कि he's amazing. The way he has treated this film, I don't think anybody in Bollywood or even Hollywood can treat like this. मेरे को लगा.
True, very true. Anurag Dada, what do you have to say about it?
अरे नहीं यार, it's very heartening and बहुत actually क्या था, it was new for me, and it has been great experience because ये OTT रह गया था, बाकी सब तो explore कर लिया था हमने. टेलीविजन बोलो, टीवीसी बोलो, सब कुछ. तो ये इस तरह से उसको हो गया, and it's a great experience because I've also become active in social media. I'm just trying to see all the reviews and comments and how people are reacting. मैं जनरली जाता नहीं हूँ सब सोशल मीडिया में, लेकिन मैं भी पिछले 10-12 दिनों से देख रहा हूँ और मज़ा आ रहा है. It's a great feeling actually, and the kind of love and the Ludo has received. तो मुझे तो लगता है कि ये कोविड मतलब लूडो के लिए वरदान था.
So were you expecting this kind of reaction and the love that Ludo has got?
No, honestly
says yes.
Honestly, no. Honestly, Shrishti says yes. She was very confident. I was not. I was a little apprehensive, and but close to the release, I started getting reaction from everybody who were watching the film and they were reacting, and then हमें लगा कि शायद कुछ अच्छा बना लिया हम लोगों ने. फिल्म सबको अच्छी लग रही है.
All right. Bhushan ji, Ludo is something very different. For T-Series especially, was it a conscious decision to move slightly away from the mold and be part of something different like Ludo?
See, I think it's different, but at the same time, it's very commercial movies. Because when Dada was telling me, he was telling me थोड़ी dark है, 5 stories हैं, बहुत confusing है, करते हैं, you know, Dada is always not very confident about whatever he's doing. He has a confused mind. थोड़ा वो confused है.
मैं अंडर प्ले करता हूँ, अंडर प्ले, उसको मॉडेस्टी कहते हैं भूषण जी.
I was not very he was not very confident कि इतना अच्छा reaction आएगा, but I am very confident from day one. Even on the trailer launch, when we were giving our interviews, तो उस टाइम भी हमारा यही reaction था कि I myself अभी 5-6 बार हो गए हैं दादा, मैं 6 बार देख चुका हूँ पिक्चर.
और
Netflix पे भी देख ली है मैंने.
Wow.
Netflix पे भी देखी है.
Netflix पे बेस्ट दिख रही थी ना.
No, the best thing is that how people are revisiting and watching it again. I've met so many people who I saw it twice. I saw it again. They are going back and catching up particular scenes they have liked. So yeah, it's amazing because audience is a winner in this case because they can they can watch anytime the way they want, and yeah, I think I'm now open to OTT releases.
That's nice. So Shrishti, for you, how difficult is to find the right script, the right show, the right film for Netflix? Because Netflix is watched by like millions of users, subscribers. So how difficult is to find the right, the right thing?
See, when you're looking for a film, only one thing you have in your mind is that what is it that your subscribers are going to enjoy. So like a film, like, where the creators are as committed as these two were to make something and tell something truly unique, I think it was a no-brainer. You're right about the number of people who get to see it. And I think one of the beautiful things about Netflix is that you have 190 countries where the film drops at the same time.
Yeah.
And when our subscribers see the film, they don't see it based on the region. They see it based on their, what they enjoy watching. That's what's been there. In fact, I have been getting calls from my colleagues in the US asking me about the director of this wonderful film. And would he be interested? And I was like, shut up, side ho jao. I'm in line first.
भूषण जी मैं जा रहा हूँ हॉलीवुड. बाय.
हम सब आपको रोक लेंगे दादा, कोई जाने नहीं देगा आपको.
कहाँ से बनाते हैं ना, अभी दिल्ली क्राइम के बाद अभी एक फिल्म बनाते हैं जो लेके जाते हैं बाहर.
एकदम.
Let's do something,
yes, we can.
Show the power of storytelling of India, and it's a matter of pride for all of us that we are doing films that are being appreciated outside the country also.
Right. So Anurag Dada, I know you're very happy that the film released on OTT, but were you disappointed somewhere that it didn't release in the theaters? And do you think it came as a blessing in disguise because it didn't have to compete with any other films like Lakshmi, for example, for numbers or for the screens?
अरे compete करती तो भी ऐसे ही होता result. The film is a film, and this.
No doubt about it.
Yeah, and I don't think result कुछ अलग होता. And in the month of whenever we had decided, June and July तक appreciation था of theater releasing, not releasing, but we had decided. So once we had decided, that we are going for OTT release, and yeah, the doubt was there only for 20-25 days. I have to be very honest in the beginning when I had to decide, me and Bhushan. But yeah, blessing in disguise, you're absolutely right. I think that this was the best platform we would get. Better than better release, I would say, on hindsight.
Well, on that note, thank you so much for this lovely conversation and wishing you all the very best for future projects. Keep surprising us with such good stories and films and everything.
Thank you for showing us Paris.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much. Thank you.